Hi, I'm Armin from LIGRE. Today I want to talk about the important topic of cleaning. Cleaning is essential for brewing espresso because a dirty machine won't make good espresso. There is a daily cleaning routine that you should always follow. We have a guided cleaning program built into the machine for maintenance. I will explain it later. This includes cleaning the brew group, steam lance, exchanging boiler water, and descaling mode. But first I want to briefly go over daily cleaning. After every use, it's important to flush the brew group. To do this, pull the middle button, our espresso butterfly, upwards, and lock the portafilter back in place. After steaming milk, a bit of milk foam often sticks to the steam lance. Simply wipe it off with a cloth. Then purge the steam lance by pulling the right button, our steam butterfly, upwards, and clean it again briefly. Additionally, it's important to clean the drip tray daily. The drip tray can be disassembled. It consists of 3 parts: the drip tray frame, the drip rack, and the inner tray. The latter 2 parts that can be put in the dishwasher. Please note, do not put the drip tray frame in the dishwasher. As it is made of anodized aluminium. Hence, it must not go in the dishwasher. Always clean the machine with a soft microfiber cloth. This prevents scratches. We recommend using our cleaning products as they are designed for the machine. This ensures proper care for your machine and helps you make great espresso every time.